President of the Republic of Kenya is the first person who should give an example to all of us why we should obey the law, and also decisions made by the courts. Decision made by the courts. If they are corrupt judges, we agree that those judges' steps must be taken, and there's a legal process of how to take steps against judges who are corrupt or magistrates who are corrupt. There is a process, and they know about that process. But I want to say the only reason why the Kenya Kwanza Brigade is turning against the judiciary is because decisions have been made, not because of any wrongdoing, but decisions have been made by the courts which they didn't like. Decisions have been made by the courts that they don't like. They should now remember that the courts also made a decision in favor of Raila or against Raila and in favor of Ruto. And Raila said, we accept, but we do not agree. The president and his brigade must be in the forefront in promoting the rule of law. Rule of law. But I can tell you, the only reason why they are against the courts is because Omtata went to court and the court ruled against the state. And Omtata went to the court because of the Finance Act. And some of our lawyers, including Utinda Molo, they were in court to stand in for the people of Kenya, for the court to make a determination on the legality or constitutionality of the Finance Act. And the Finance Act is the law that has made prices go up, the cost of living go up.